Hey, 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 welcome back. Today I got something going on today. Got something special. I think today we're going to do a little surprise. Let me show you real quick what we got. All right, look what we got here. We got American Wagyu beef, ground beef. We're going to make Wagyu burgers. I've never tried Wagyu. We're going to find out what it tastes like. This is from the American Sam's Club. Paid $19.40, 20 bucks, and it's $5.88 a pound for 3 pounds, a little over 3 pounds. So that's what it come up to. Yeah, it's the Sam's Club. So we're gonna try it out. Let me Pat, I'm just gonna do one of these. I don't know how many burgers you get out of that, 2 or 3, I'm not sure. I'm not gonna do smash burgers, just do regular burgers today, because they're just gonna be for me. Nobody else is gonna eat them. So there we go. Let's get the show on the road. Well, I did find some bacon, so I'm going to make some bacon with that. We're going to eat a little bacon on that Wagyu burgers. And here's what it looks like. Get out there, blah. Burgers look a little different. Never seen anything like this. It's a little different. Maybe it's just the way it's processed, the way it's done. Get out of here, blah. See, it looks a little different than regular hamburger meat. Chew. Get 3. I'm going to make 3. I got one more there. It's going to make 3 of them. So we're going to patty up. We patty up this last one. I got my bacon on. We're doing bacon too. I'm going to put bacon on there. I love bacon. Bacon makes everything taste better, even if it tastes bad or good. But anyway, yeah, I got bacon. I want some bacon. So here on this temp. 450. 368 or it's all over the place. 400. I don't know where you put it. You can see that laser dot right there. I don't know, it's hard to see it. There you go. Where do you see the dot? Anyway, yeah, the bacon's almost done. I'm literally just gonna go ahead and put these 3 Wagyu burgers on. I'm just gonna put salt and pepper on them. That's all I'm gonna put on it. All right, there we go. Go salt and pepper. Pepper. A little bit of salt. Don't know if it really needs to be salted or not. I don't know. Never had Wagyu. No, it's just a massaged cow, I guess. That bacon's done. Get that bacon off of there. There. The delicious bacon. Delicious. Ooh, the grease splattered on me. Salt and pepper. It don't take long at all. Ooh, it's splattered on my leg. Good Lord, I got shorts on. Gotta get rid of some of this grease. Take it down. Perfect. Grease has gotta go. All over. Let me turn that down. It's a little too hot. But the problem is I got too hot. Look what happened. It melted. It was touching the grill. But you know what? That's my fault. That's what you get with leaving stuff against it. You gotta pay attention to things. When you cook, you gotta pay attention to things. This is my fault. Hey, learn your lessons. That ain't the way I want to learn my lessons. I should have known better. You know what? I won't do it again. I guarantee you that. I found a hamburger bun. I just noticed this. Y'all notice how small these hamburger buns are getting smaller and smaller and smaller? I mean, come on. Look at that. Used to be bigger. I mean, way bigger. It's great value. You know, That's how you save money. Bull crap. It's called shrinkflation. You shrink it and raise the price. That's what you do. But anyway, look at this. Look how small this sucker is. Small. Look at this. Just follow me. I like meat hanging off my bone. My hamburger bone. Be good. Anyway, just wanted to share that with you. Also, I got to share something else with you. While that's cooking, some of y'all had asked me about this propane hose adapter. I got this from Walmart. It's Coleman. It's in the camping section. I think it was $20, $25. I can't remember. It was somewhere right around there. So if you need one, 5-foot hose. See, you got your camping stove. I don't know, well, that is like a charcoal grill, but it's supposed to be gas. But anyway, that's what it fits. That's it right here. That's what I got right there. 5-foot hose to my tank right there. So yeah, this was Coleman at my local Walmart. I don't know about your local Walmart. I don't even know if y'all even, if it's in the camping section. I just saw it and I needed it. I said, oh, I gotta have it. So I bought it. So yeah, that's it. The Coleman propane hose with adapter. Ooh, these burgers are done. We're good to go. What we'll do is we'll try one on this hamburger bun with nothing on it, no bacon. Just take a bite of it and see what it's like. And yeah, then we'll put the bacon on it after I took a taste test of it. Had a little smidge, little piece of it fell off on the grill just now. Tasted it, tasted fine. Tastes like a regular burger. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to tell the difference or not. Oh, there's some on there. Yeah, what is it? Look there. Wagyu burger. Ooh, yummy, yummy, yummy. I'm gonna clean this grill up real quick. And I showed you how to clean the grill. Somebody asked me a couple weeks ago about cleaning the grill. I'm gonna go ahead. I'll just go ahead and do it. I'll show y'all. It's just another quick video. Hang on just a second. All right, everybody. Got this burger done. Here it is. Hang on, let me get it. That's it. Gotta come out squared. I don't know how I did that. Anyway, it's supposed to be round. It don't matter. That's it. Nothing on it. Plain Jane burger. We'll try it. I tasted a little smidge of it a while ago. I was like, oh, that's pretty good. I don't know. Never tried Wagyu, American Wagyu. I have no idea. It's supposed to be lean and very tasteful, tasty and all that. But man, Angus is just as good to me as anything, you know. It's just as good. So here we go. We're going to try this Wagyu burger real quick. Let's take a bite. All right. Here we go. It's good. It's good. Oh wow, it's lean. Yeah. Salt and pepper. That's it. I'll put another bite of that. We gotta get another one. It's good. I recommend that. Oh yeah. Got them at Sam's Club. Hang on. All right, I had to take that stuff in. The fly city is here. The flies are here. They buzzing and humming and won't eat. All right, there I got one with the bacon on it. Try a little bacon on it. That was good. It is a different flavor. Bacon flavor. Good. Love it. It's good. Now, would I go back to spend $100 on this stuff? No. Angus is just as good. Just wanted to. Never tried it. Always wanted to try it. You know, it was too expensive. So, yeah, I always wanted to try it, and saw the opportunity at Sam's. Like, I want to Sam's. Oh, God, I gotta buy this. You know, I'll try it and make a video on it. So, yeah, it's good. I would buy it again, but I would spend $100 on it. But Angus is just as good. It's really good. It got a really good flavor to it. You know, it's lean, real lean. That's all it is. But yeah, there's your video today. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please hit that notification bell. Did that ding ding bell notification ding ding bell. So there we go. Thanks for watching. Oh, don't forget I got Amazon affiliate links. Check it out in the description below. And as always, have a good day and a good week. Thank you.